It is a white Christmas for the LANMonkeys. We are out walking in the snow, finding some geocaches, enjoying our Christmas day. And we want to just wish everybody a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. And thank you to everybody who supported us throughout the year. Let's go find some geocaches. Ooh, that is a big one. Say it, come on, you know you want to. Times in the winter time, you really gotta dig for them. But Mr. Monkey made the find. Now I gotta get it out. Ta-da! Made the find. We wanted 2 caches for today and we got them. So that's pretty nice. Now we can go home and enjoy the rest of our Christmas day together.
And the very next day, Boxing Day here in Canada, we joined a group of caching friends to go find a new series of challenge caches placed on some trails around snowy and chilly Rolley Lake, a provincial park just outside of Maple Ridge, BC.
Happy Boxing Day. We are here with a group of friends behind us. We are finding some challenge caches out by Rolley Lake on Boxing Day. Just having fun and trying to keep warm. We are getting our cold snap on here in British Columbia, so we're going to enjoy taking you around Rolley Lake on a cold Boxing Day here in BC. Came across a group of 4x4s who were having fun in the snow and the mud, and some pretty skookum rigs back there. That's pretty awesome. All right, well, we're gonna keep the caching going. The snow's picking up again a little bit, but we're all safe and bundled up and having fun. Here's a crazy cache location. Got an old wrecked car covered in snow. Let's see if we can find this geocache. So that's all the caches out on this end of the trail. There's plenty more trail, so there's probably going to be more caches put out at some point in time. But as for today, everybody's had a good hike, and we don't want to run too much daylight out. And we found all the caches that are here, so hooray! It is a chilly New Year's Day morning. We are at the Fraser River. There's a polar bear swim event. I don't think anybody's going in today because the river is frozen over. But we'll have a fun little event and then we'll see what we do for the rest of our day. Happy New Year's. After this morning's almost polar bear event, we've now headed out to Fleetwood in Surrey for another event to continue celebrating the new year with our geo friends. We're curious what you did for New Year's, so why don't you share with us in the comments below and let us know what you did. We'd love to hear about your adventures on January 1st, December 31st, or the 2nd, 3rd. It's all in the new year. Anyhow, we hope you enjoyed watching, and we thank you for your support. and wish you a very happy holidays and an amazing 2022 ahead. Well, it is a white Christmas for the LANMonkey. Whoa. Apparently that's the side of the trail. Oh! Now who's Frosty the Snowman?